Hey guys, happy weekend. It's me, the Stonk Dad. We're going to be talking about the data that happened yesterday in the market. I was out of town, so I wasn't able to do a recap video at all on Friday or Thursday. So I figured that I'd spend a little bit of time on this wonderful Saturday evening with you all. You guys, the market just keeps going up and up, and the data is following right along with it and helping us in our trading. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the data sets, what came out, and then my thought process as those things came out, and how I got into a couple really good trades on Friday, even though I was out of the office. It was an awesome day for me, and I hope it was for all of you. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give me a like. It really helps out me and my channel. I'm trying to get this to at least 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and then also I'm trying to get the watch time hours up as well. So I really do appreciate all of you guys who spend the time and watch all my videos. I don't really see myself as a YouTuber per se, but I really do enjoy making these videos and these little recaps with you guys. So thank you guys again for subscribing and liking this channel. So let's get into this video. Okay, so right at market open today, yesterday, which was Friday, we had a strong call flow spike on market flow within 13 minutes of market open. So right off the bat, I was like, okay, we're going to be heading up again, which is really surprising because we've gone nothing but up like the past 3 to 4 months or so. There hasn't been very much of a pullback at all. So just seeing this bullish flow and then following the flow, it's just insane to me how bullish everything is. So that's pretty much what we saw on Friday right at market open. I did have my pre-market levels set, and we did hit above the 500 level on SPY. So that was kind of my upside target for the start of this day. We started at around, let me see. It looks like we started around the 499 level, a little bit below that 499 level at market open down here, 498.75-ish. So that was my immediate upside target if we were bullish, if we were going to be bullish in the flow. And that's exactly what happened, guys. So 20 minutes after the market opened, you can see that calls were at 8 million net. This is a very good divergence, guys. I know you've probably seen a lot of my videos in the past. The divergence is key in pinpointing the strength of the move and if I'm actually going to be following the flow in this instance. So if you see a good divergence right at market open within 15 to 20 minutes, you know it's going to be a pretty good day and you can catch some really nice moves. So right here we had that convergence flip at 9:42 Eastern time, and it looks like that might have been okay. It looks like it turned gray in this thing here, but it looks like it went up about 30 cents or so, and then it turned gray, and then I think eventually it did turn back green. I'll have to see what happens here. I didn't really look at this data up until right now, but you can see that call flow started to go up and up. $15 million net at this point, and puts are well below zero. I did catch a nice move at about 30 minutes or so after the market opened. I got into some SPY calls, 501 calls for the Monday expiration, and those eventually ran for a lot higher than 14%, but I did get out at about 20 to 25% on these ones. But yeah, I let you guys know that right here I said call flow is really, before that, before I even got into those, I said I'm still out of town, but calls are looking really nice here. 499 holds. I'm looking at the 501 calls for Monday expiration is what I said here. So I'd said if we held this 499 level down here, we could definitely push up towards that 500 next GEX level. Okay. So that's exactly what happened. Call flow is pushing. The calls were at 76, and they eventually topped out around the 500 level at about $100 per contract, which is a good 25% gain or so. 25 to 30% gain. I didn't get out exactly at the top there, but I did get a nice 20% return on those calls there. So let's see here. See, I don't think we actually hit 500 right really fast. I think it took a little bit of time. So it looks like we hit it at about 8 a.m. my time, which is 11 Eastern. So it did take a little bit of time, about an hour or so, hour and a half since after call flow started to ramp up like that. So patience was definitely a virtue in this. You can see that at 7:30 my time, 10:30 Eastern, call flow was at 30 million, and that is a very strong bullish momentum indication right here. So we have this GEX level, the 499. it's positive. So as long as we hold above that, we can push towards 500 and even 501 at these negative levels. So that's pretty much what I noticed here. I even mentioned it here at 7:30 a.m. As long as we hold 499 positive GEX, we should see higher. And that's exactly what happened. We hit 500 within 2 cents at 7:39, and then we did pull back briefly, and then we eventually went even higher towards lunchtime and the PM session. Okay, so let's see if there were any indications of GEX. Not sure. Okay, so right here, so 501 is our resistance. I think at this time at 10:30, yeah, that was at like around this level. 10:30 was around 560. That was going to be our resistance point. We did get a little bit higher actually around the 401.50 level. But if you do any sort of Fibonacci retracements at all, you can turn this tool and you can see how it went here from swing high to swing low. You can see where it topped out there at the 2618, which is really cool. And then if you do, I used to do Fibonacci's quite often, guys, before GEX, but this can be a powerful tool, especially if you don't want to just simply rely on GEX. Fibonacci's are awesome as well. So if you do swing low to swing high here, and the pivot point, you can see that we went to this golden zone, 0.5, and that's exactly where we bounced to go even higher. So Fibonacci tools can be pretty powerful, especially if it lines up perfectly with GEX levels and how bullish flow is. So we moved on with the day. I did get into some Google calls. There were some pretty large Google calls that came out right at the middle of the day, actually at like 8 a.m. my time, 10:50 Eastern. You can see that these Google calls for March expiration came out with $2 million in premium and 19 orders. That was a pretty big order, and I actually hopped into those, and I actually trimmed out on some of those swings before the market closed on Friday for about 10 to 11%. And that's pretty good for a month-long swing. 10% in a day is very nice. So I got a nice trim off of that, and I'm holding the rest of those. But other than that, guys, those are my 2 trades on Friday. We had a very bullish day. It was really, really awesome to see. I don't think there was anything else really pressing other than just put flow selling off and then call flow going crazy. But yeah, really nice uptrend day, guys. I hope you guys caught that move with me. If not, we can better ourselves always every day. There's always new trades that we can take. But that was the recap for Friday. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys enjoy these videos. I'm gonna keep making them as long as I can. I get some pretty good feedback from you guys, so I really do appreciate it yet again. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow when I do the convergence recap video, and then on Monday as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one.